So like I said, started to say, I'm going to share my screen with you, and you're not going to see me. You're going to see a 120 chart. And I'm going to show you how to not compare numbers, but I'm going to show you how to find numbers on a 120 chart by saying 10 more or 10 less. Okay. And after that, it's just a quick little review. And then after that, we're going to do a comparing numbers Kahoot. Okay. But watch my 120 chart first. Okay. Hold on tight.
Oh, okay, here we go.
Okay.
Ready? I'm ready.
Okay, hold on tight. So tell me what you know about a 100, and you can unmute, Gabriella, it's your choice, but I don't mind. What do you know about a 120 chart? You're about to see it in a second. So let me ask you the question this way. What would you use a 120 chart for? Okay, now it's telling me to wait.
Yes. I don't know.
Yes, Gabriella, what would you use a 120 chart for?
To help you add numbers.
You can use a 120 chart to add numbers. And what would that look like on the 120 chart? Do you know? If you don't, I can tell you.
100.
Do you want to let me know? Or if not, I can provide an example.
6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
Okay, so let's say, for example, Gabriella and Rorik, I wanted to add 5 plus 2. So I would start at 5, okay? And then I would move up 2 times to add those 2. 1, 2, and then I would stop at 7. So she's correct. You can use a 120 chart to add, okay? So again, if I was at 5 and I wanted to add 2, I would go 1, 2, okay? What is another thing I can use a 120 chart for? How would you use it, Rorik? What could you use this for? You can unmute. Oh, thank you. Yep, hold on tight, Gabriella. I'll get you in 1 second.
Sure.
Oops.
Okay, now answer.
She can't see me. Oh, sorry. You could use money.
How would you, this 120 chart, what would you use this for?
Counting money.
So in other words, if I had, let's see, $47 and my sister gave me $2, 47, 48, 49, never thought about it that way, but I guess you can. So let me tell you, and thank you for that. I never really thought about that. So let me tell it to you this way. Let me share it with you. So if I was at the number 38 and I wanted to do 10 more, I would go down the 120 chart, adding 10 every time. So 38 plus 10, 48. The only number that's changing is the number in the tens place. 48, 58, 68, 78, 88, 98, 108, 118, and then we'll go on to 128, 138. So it's a good way to look at numbers, okay? If I was at the number 39 and I wanted to count back 10, I would go back up the 120 chart. 139, 129, 119, 109, okay? Let me erase that. So let me ask you a question. So what is one number bigger than 35, Rorik? What is one number bigger than 35?
35, 65.
Exactly, okay? Gabriella, tell me a number that's bigger than 104.
117.
There you go. And there's so many you could have chosen, right? So Gabriella, tell me a number less than 104.
100.
Exactly. So you're going back on the number line. So Rorik, tell me a number smaller than 35 or less than 35?
35, 45.
Less than, you want to go back, you want to take away. Less than 35, smaller.
Like 35.
So here's 35. Tell me a number smaller than 35.
Like 34.
Exactly, or 33 or 25, right? I'm going
Yeah.
to, yep, thank you, Rory. I'm going to close this out, okay? All right, so we have one friend coming in. Okay, so we're gonna do a
I need a second device now.
comparing numbers. Hi, Ty.
Is it too late? Are we too late?
You're just on time.
Good. Okay.
That's okay. So perfect. And there's also the afternoon time. You know, the morning one was packed. Like there were a lot of kids. It was like 90 of us. I'm just kidding. So we're gonna do a comparing numbers Kahoot. So when we compare numbers, when we look at them and we say, well, this number is bigger than this number because it has 3 more ones or 4 more ones, or the tens place is bigger, okay? So I'm gonna click play. Now these questions are gonna be in the form of a riddle. So they're gonna be like a pun, like a joke, okay? And for some of them, you'll have two riddles or 2 hints. There's one, I believe, that you have 3 hints. So you have to really think about the hint that you're given, okay? You will have 120 seconds for each slide, okay? And there's 10 slides, okay? And I'm okay if you are off mute because it's just 4 of us, 5 of us. And you know, it's not too many. Like I said, the morning session, there were a lot of kids. Yes, Ty, you can unmute. What's your question for me? I already know you.
I want it. When are we going? Can we do team mode? Like one.
I don't think we can play like
Maybe,
that.
yeah, not today. That's a good idea though. I'll keep
Okay.
that in my pocket. In my pocket. Okay. So there's your pin. Type in your first name. You do not have to give me your last name. Rorik, your name is really, really long. So you don't have to just put, type in your first name.
Okay, Rorik. Oh, where do you get that? Like,
Hi, TY. And then hit OK, go. There you go.
Yep.
oh,
You have a second device, Rorik?
Now you wait, okay?
Yeah, we'll wait.
I'll heat you up the spaghetti after your Zoom, okay?
or how about you just, yeah. Spaghetti, but I also want to eat spaghetti. No, I don't. I just, no. Start.
We'll wait for you.
I don't know how to get into the
Okay.
spelling your name code.
Okay. So you need a second device.
Yeah, we got that.
Okay. Then you go to kahoot.it, I-T.
Kahoot.it. I'm on Kahoot.
Okay. Then you'll see a place for your name that should pop up. Are you guys enjoying the cold weather?
No, not at all. I can't even go swimming. Yeah, me either. I want to go to the pool, but we can't.
Correct. Okay. Rorik, tell me what you're up to.
Oh, we're trying to get into my.
Okay. Okay.
Maybe just start without me.
No,
Just
oh, no. We're gonna wait.
Because we can't figure out how to get our name. Get my name in.
Are you at kahoot.it?
We're at there. Well, kahoot.it.
Mm-hmm.
We don't know how to get to my name though. We just
don't know why.
Okay, 1 second.
oh.
Sure.
You have a section where it says
Oh, Kahoot.
put the pin number in 154. Do you have the place to put the pin?
What's the pin?
Oh, I see the pin.
Yeah, 154395. Thank you for your patience, Gabriella and Ty. Thank you so much. There you go. All righty. I'm going to click start.
Okay. Get ready.
Some of them are a little tricky, so you have to really listen to the little tips that they give you, the hints. Okay. So it says, I am a green number, and there's a bunch of green numbers. I am greater than 45 of the green numbers, which is greater than 45 and less than 60. Okay. Green numbers,
Gosh, buddy.
greater than 45,
These are the green numbers that I saw.
less than 60.
Okay. See that number?
25.
So is 22 bigger than 45?
Okay, that's okay.
Okay, so 57. 57 was green. It's bigger than 45. It has 5 tens. 45 has 4 ones, and it's less than 60. Okay. So
Yep.
some of the little tips are you gotta really kind of, you gotta listen to them. And we're just warming up.
You ready? I am a blue.
Okay. I am a blue number. So eyes on the blue numbers.
Oh, this is
Say my name when you count by tens. Which number would you say, which blue number would you say if you were to count by tens? Oh, Gabriella, that was a cute smile.
10,
So look at the blue numbers.
20, 30, 40, 50. 50. I'm sorry. Yeah,
Okay, 50. So if I were to count by tens, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50. I heard Rory counting, getting his numbers to, okay, now it's going to get interesting. So listen to all the tips, the hints. The number of pages in my book is less than 96. So you have to look at the books. Which one is here is less than 96 and greater than 90. So less than 96, greater than 90.
Greater than 90.
I have 3 letters in my name. Less than 96, bigger than 90.
I don't know.
Hold on.
Is it that one?
Less than 96, greater than 90. I have 3 letters in my name.
Your fault.
You're trying to worry about the time, bud. Don't worry about the time, okay?
I just want to come in first.
It doesn't matter.
Yes,
You
it
don't need
does.
to worry about
I
that,
want
honey.
to come in first.
Okay, so less than 96, greater than 90, it was 95. Ouch, okay. So we have some more books. The number of pages in my book is greater than 92. So what number here is greater than 92? And I have the greatest number of pages. So which book here is bigger than 92? But it is the biggest number. This is where your ones place is going to come in handy. Greater than 92 and the greatest number of all the pages. So there's 55, 90, 75, 92, 82, 95, 96, 48, 64, and 98, which is the biggest number. Okay, so greater than 92, 95. The number was 98. It had the most ones. All the other numbers in the 90s had 9 tens. Okay. The number of pages in my book is less than 65. So think less than 65. So 55, less than 65. You're not going to look at the 90s or 70s because they have more tens. I have 10 more than 54. That's your second hint. 10 more than 54. Ten more than 54. So if you had the 120 chart in front of you, which number would be 10 more? Is 55 10 more? 48 10 more? 64 10 more? Ten more than 54. Think if you had your 120 chart in front of you, 54, 10 more would be the number right downstairs. So 10 more than 54 is 64. 10 more than 64 is 74. It's okay. It's okay. So we're looking for a secret number greater than 65. So look, we have our part of a 100 chart or 120 chart. The secret number is greater than 75. Excuse me, all of these numbers here are greater than 75. It does not have a 8 in the ones place. So greater than 75, so 76, 77, 78, 79, 80, 81, all the way to 90, greater than 75, but it does not have an 8 in the ones place, does not. Secret number greater than 75. So 83 was the number. 83 is greater than 75, and it does not have an 8 in the ones place. It has a 3 in the ones place. Okay. Ben's number is less than 90. 48 less than 90. Got to think about it. 98 less than 90, 62 less than 90, 92 less than 90. His number does not have a 4 in the ones place. I'm sorry, the tens place. Less than 90 does not have a 4 in the tens place. Good, very good, 62. Smaller than 90, 90 has 9 ones, 62 has, 90 has 9 tens, 62 has 6 tens, and we're looking for a number that does not have a 4 in the ones place. Tim's number is greater than 50. First hint, greater than 50, greater than 50, greater than 50, greater than 50. His number has an 8 in the ones place. Look at the ones place. What is Tim's number? Good. Yes, 98 is greater than 50. 98 has 9 tens, 50 has 5 tens, and it has an 8 in the ones place, so there's 8 ones. Okay. Here we go. This one is tricky. Jeff's number is not a square. Triangle, 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 circle, circle. Not a square. So looking at those shapes that are not squares, his number has a 3 in the ones place. Does this triangle have a 3 in the ones place? Does this triangle have a 3 in the ones place? Do these circles have 3s in the ones place? The number is bigger than 50. What is Jeff's secret number? $53. It was a circle, right? It was not a square. 53 has 3 in the ones place, and it's bigger than 50, okay? Because of the 3 ones. I tried my best on this Kahoot. Okay, here we go. Okay, I am going to stop sharing my screen real quick. Let me move my thing up a bit. Okay. Okay. Let me stop sharing. Let me close. All right. So that was great, guys. Oops. Hold on. Oh, so that was great. So when you're comparing numbers, the first thing you should think about is tens place. Do the two numbers have which number the tens place is bigger? Is it 5 in the tens place? Is it 9? So always keep 10 place value in mind. If the numbers have the same place value, the same numbers in the place value, like 50 and 50, you have to look at the ones place, okay? So I'm going to, yes, you are. Okay, yep, hold on tight. So I'm gonna stop recording, hold on.